Model, 1999 Toyota HIACE 2.5 diesel camper. Body, blue, camper. Mileage, 174,012 kilometers. Engine, 2,440 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. However, the radiator is leaking slightly at the bottom, so will need repairing or replacing. Definitely worth doing as this drives fantastic. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.